Hello, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of creativity with the 128 PCS Sublimation Blanks products. A Modacraft Christmas Ornaments Crafts Sublimation Starter Kit that comes with an instruction manual. This comprehensive kit includes a variety of sublimation products like makeup bags, fridge magnets, coasters, keychains, earrings, mouse pads, puzzles, and even garden flags, all designed to meet your DIY needs. Crafted from premium materials such as MDF, neoprene polyester, and cotton canvas, these items ensure faster sublimation with vivid, bright colors that are durable and machine washable. The kit is user-friendly, featuring an instruction manual to guide you through the sublimation process, ensuring your creations come out perfectly every time. With universal sizes, these items are versatile for use in cars, kitchens, offices, and even gardens, making them perfect for adding a personal touch to any space. Not only can you sublimate photos, ads, and logos, but you can also write, draw, or embroider on these blanks, creating personalized gifts for any occasion. Let your creativity run wild and make unforgettable DIY gifts for your loved ones with this all-in-one sublimation starter kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.